Now that I've created a spreadsheet and then a matching pie chart, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to insert both the pie chart and a spreadsheet into a document. So what I've done is I've already opened up a Word document, a Google Doc that is, and I'm just going to delete what I already have here, and I'm going to show you how we get that in there. So I'm going to go over to my spreadsheet. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on the copy chart. So there's three little buttons up here, and I'm going to click on copy chart. So when I click on copy chart, I go over to my document. I centered it just to make it look really nice, so I made sure that's centered. I right click and I hit paste. And when I hit paste, it gives me two options. I can link to the spreadsheet, or I can paste unlinked. In this case, I'm going to link to a spreadsheet, because when I do that and hit paste, it's going to link. If I click there, you see it's linked. And I can link or unlink. I can even use that to go to the source, which is this part right here, which is my spreadsheet. So let me show you how that works. So right now it says housing is 43.8%. So if I go over here, you see that's 43.8%. So if I change my housing, let's say I knock that down to 1,500, hit enter, you see it changes everything, but it changes the housing to 36.9. Now if I go back here to my document, that still says 43.8, but if I hit the update button, it now links and syncs in and gives me 36.9. So I only have to change it in one spot, but I do have to update it here. You can also do that, by the way, with Google Slides, which is nice because you can just work all your magic with your numbers here, and then it can sync right in there to your presentation or to this document. You do something very similar with your spreadsheet. So here I've got a spreadsheet right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Let's see if I can get this to delete quickly. Nope, I didn't do that. Control Z is our best friend here. All right, let's go down here and we'll insert it here. So I'm going to go ahead and center this up. Oops. Get that down to the next page here. Okay, so I'm going to hit center. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go here. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste it. And what it's going to do again, it's going to ask me to, if I want to link it, the table, or paste unlinked, I'm going to link it, and you can see it came in right there. Now, this is spilling over to the next page, so what I'd have to do, I can go up here, hit delete, it'll come up. Oftentimes you want it to the next page, so I'm going to hit Control, hold down Control and hit Enter, and that brings it down to the next page. I believe I can go ahead and change these borders by going like that, and I can make it look real pretty by centering all this up, kind of like that. All right, there it is. That looks a lot better. Yeah, let's see if I can center this stuff up. Yep, I sure can. So I just highlighted all that, centered it up. So I can change some formatting here as well to make it look real nice. So what's cool though is it's linked. So if I go over here, you see my total is 4062. Let's change that to 2000. So I'm going to change that to 1, 2, 3, enter. It's now 4562. I go over here, go ahead and update. And you can see that that changes there too. Now the only thing that didn't change was my formatting here, which is no big deal. I can just go ahead and make sure that's changed. So I'll highlight and center these up. Okay, so that is how you create a link between a table in the spreadsheet and a chart, in this case a pie chart, and your Google Doc.